Here's a tree processing example where we actually change the tree instance. Removing some of the subtrees of a tree is called pruning. Either you remove some of the branches, or remove some branches of the branches, etc. When possible, it makes sense to first prune the branches of the current tree, then recursively prune whichever branches are left over. You can prune a branch before you remove that branch, but since you're removing the whole branch, why not remove it first and only prune what's left? So here's an example tree, and let's say we want to prune all of the subtrees whose root label is 1. This 0 goes because it's part of this subtree. Here's a template. Pause for a moment and try to fill it in, and I'll go over the solution in 3, 2, 1. The key here is to modify t.branches by setting it equal to a new list. We could also change the old t.branches list, but we achieve the same effect by building a new list with a list comprehension. For every branch in the tree, I'm going to keep it in t.branches if its label is something other than n. Now t.branches might not have all the old branches in it, so this says iterate through the branches that remain, calling each one b, and prune that branch, using n as the label we're looking to prune. And that's it. We don't need to return, because the purpose of the prune function is to remove subtrees, not to compute a new value.